Prices are up and so are sales. The buying and selling season has arrived. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Peak inventory so far this year. However, buyers had about 400 fewer choices compared with May 2025. Prices rebounded from April and were up by more than 30,000 compared with last May. Higher prices didn't slow down sales with about 75 more homes sold. Our look at local markets starts with the 880 corridor. Fewer choices for buyers along most of 880. Hayward, Oakland, and San Leandro all down by 30% or more. Prices were mixed. Albany 1.7 and Oakland 1.2 both up. Berkeley at more than 1.6 was actually down. Sales activity was mixed, though changes up or down in terms of actual units were all within single digits. West Contra Costa County is next. Fewer choices for buyers throughout most of the area. Hercules and Richmond both down more than 50%. Prices were mostly up. Richmond at $735 and San Pablo at $617. Sales were mixed. El Cerrito, El Sobrante, Richmond all down. Now we're in central Contra Costa County. Almost all the communities were down by at least 25%. Prices also mostly down, though Clayton and Pleasant Hill still solidly in the 1 million range and Walnut Creek at 1.6. Sales were mostly up. Pleasant Hill at 30 and Walnut Creek 57. Next up, La Miranda. Homes for sale were down everywhere. Orinda 38 on the market. Prices were mixed, though all still in the 2 million range. Sales also mixed. Moraga 16 sold. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Fewer homes on the market almost everywhere. Livermore 100, Pleasanton 78. Prices were mostly up. Alamo topped 3 million. Pleasanton more than 1.8. Sales mixed. Alamo and Livermore down. Pleasanton and San Ramon both up. And finally, we're in the Delta. Inventory was down. Antioch had 117 for sale, down more than 40%. Prices mostly down. Oakley at $651. Sales mixed. Brentwood up with 65 sold. Antioch, Oakley, and Pittsburgh all down. Last thought. Year to date, sales activity during 2026 is almost identical to the same period during 2025. And while sales trends in specific communities may vary, there isn't a specific region that's propping up the East Bay. While sales volume is still well below the pandemic and low interest rate peak from 2021, real estate activity continues at a steady pace throughout the East Bay. We'll see you next month.